a lamb, it's only just been born. What's wrong with that one over there? Oh, it's just having a roll. Oh, these are all expecting. Look at that fat ape there, look. That's up in the sitting position.
Yeah.
They're all too fat to move, babe, because they're all having pups, having lambs. That's the first lamb born, I'd say.
Look at that one over there, it's back.
I've just seen something.
What?
Is it another lamb?
Where?
Other side that wall, and there's like those rocks on that. Like
Oh yeah.
I can see something moving.
It's a sheep lying down.
And a lamb.
Yeah, that one can't get up, look.
I know, because it's been rolling on the what's it, and now it's stuck in its fat. Look at the size of them, look. Look at that one there. They can hardly walk. Because they've all got 2 or 3 lambs in the body.
Hmm. Oh, that's fighting them.
They're massive, aren't they? That one's had twins, look. Fatty still can't get up. I think if I started shouting mint sauce, it'd all run.
Only if you understand English. So tiny, aren't they?
Still on the back, look. With the legs in the air. What's that all about? See that one there, look. She can't walk. Never seen anything like that lying on its back.